All right, folks, welcome back. As you know, Portfolio Visualizer is one of my favorite tools that's out there. And it's a great tool. It's free to use. You can subscribe if you want to, but the free version is pretty awesome as it is. One of my other favorite tools is Portfolio Charts, which is created by a guy named Tyler, who popularizes the golden butterfly portfolio, which I'm experimenting with in one of my accounts just for fun. But I used to use this quite a bit too because this is a good tool to kind of give you a different perspective on back testing. So he gives you like maybe I want to say like 12 portfolios you can explore and kind of look at and see some statistics and metrics over time. And the data set is a little bit different than Portfolio Visualizer, but it's pretty comparable and it's pretty good. But lately, Tyler has changed the business model where he removed a feature that used to be free, which was called My Portfolio. And basically, My Portfolio allows you to go in and just enter your own asset allocation based on these factors, and then it'll give you the metrics for that portfolio. I think he's charging, a fee now for that. You may be able to buy the spreadsheet yourself because this is made with Excel. But for me, it was just convenience, but I don't think it's worth it for me to pay since I can do a lot of this on my own. So this is basically what it looks like. This is a 60/40 portfolio. But one of the nice things is that he gives you, like annual returns, loss frequency, gives you, some nice charts to kind of look at, things like that. But, like this quilt chart for the heat map over the last, whatever number of years, that's, pretty useful. But I'm pretty good with Excel. So, there was not a value for me to pay for that service so that I can enter my own allocation. So I took the opportunity to just kind of, do some extra Excel practice on my own and basically built a mock-up of the tool. So this is what it looks like. It's basically the doppelganger of Tyler's tool, but I'm still working on it, but I think for the most part it looks pretty decent and I'm pretty happy with it. So if I put in, a 60/40 portfolio, I'm going to get roughly the same metrics that he does. My inflation figures may be a little bit different, but at least the charts and the visuals are similar. So I can play around with this and put in different, allocations and kind of get a different feel for, how things look compared to Portfolio Visualizer. And like I said, I'm still working on this this tool, but for the most part, I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out. Like I said, I have things like, average return, rolling 10-year drawdowns, things like that. And then I also did the heat map and, did the conditional formatting to get the colors to look right. But for the most part, I'm pretty happy with it. I added, like a Monte Carlo kind of growth as well, where you can specify starting amount and how much you would add. And then it gives you a rough, final balance out of the Monte Carlo simulation. So just another fun thing to do to brush up on my Excel skills and produce something useful. At some point, I may share this once it gets to a stage where I feel comfortable that it's polished enough. But I just want to let you know what I've been up to lately. So enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.